Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the theme of Adobe Photoshop. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look in the top of your left corner, press on the three lines there, and after that press on Preferences. And here you can find the display section and the appearance there. Press on it and you can just change it to the dark mode if you want to, or to the light mode. The light mode is going to look like this. You can see that everything is going to be white, or almost everything. If you prefer this one, you can have it. I personally prefer the system default, which is the dark mode. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.